Do you know that in China, people believe that soy milk has a lot of health benefits? Therefore, it's common to see people drink soy milk as a part of their breakfast. Today, we're going to learn how to say soy milk in Chinese. 豆浆. Please repeat after me. 豆浆豆浆豆浆 Now a little bit faster. 豆浆豆浆豆浆 This time, we added soy milk into our practice. Therefore, we're going to practice to say, I want to drink some water. And then we'll fill in the blank with milk. And then with soy milk. Please repeat after me. 我想喝点水。我想喝点牛奶。我想喝点豆浆。Let's do it one more time. 我想喝点水。我想喝点牛奶。我想喝点豆浆。Practice makes perfect. Let's do it one more time slowly. 我想喝点水。我想喝点牛奶。我想喝点豆浆。Now, let's practice a little bit faster. 我想喝点水。我想喝点牛奶。我想喝点豆浆。One last time. 我想喝点水。我想喝点牛奶。我想喝点豆浆。Well done! 好样的 See you tomorrow. 明天见 I've spent lots of time, energy, and effort into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.